Modern students face a unique challenge. The academic material itself is manageable, but the workflow surrounding research, note-taking, and studying often slows everything down. Many learners spend more time organizing information than actually understanding it. Copying text into chatbots, digging through endless search results, and juggling multiple PDFs can make studying feel overwhelming. Fortunately, several free AI tools can dramatically improve the study process and help students work more efficiently. One of the most helpful tools available today is NotebookLM from Google. NotebookLM allows users to upload PDFs, articles, or notes and turns them into a personalized research assistant. The system only uses the sources provided, which keeps the information accurate and grounded. It can summarize chapters, compare arguments, and explain complex topics with clear citations. This makes it easier for students to understand dense material without losing time. NotebookLM also includes a deep dive audio feature. This feature creates a spoken summary of the material, similar to listening to a podcast about the user's own notes. It is useful for reviewing information while walking, commuting, or preparing for class. Many students find that listening to summaries helps reinforce learning and makes it easier to retain information. The deep dive feature can save hours each week and reduce the stress associated with last-minute studying. Another powerful tool is Perplexity AI. Perplexity provides fast, citation-rich answers and can switch to an academic mode that pulls from scholarly sources. This makes it a strong alternative to traditional search engines. Instead of ads and SEO-optimized pages, Perplexity delivers direct answers, supported by reliable references. Students can use it to quickly gather information for essays, research papers, and presentations. When comparing Perplexity to Google, the difference becomes clear. Perplexity focuses on accuracy and citations, while Google often displays advertisements and unrelated results. For academic research, Perplexity can be a more efficient choice. It reduces the time spent scrolling through irrelevant links and helps students stay focused on credible information. Gamma AI is designed for creating presentations. Users can enter a topic or outline, and Gamma automatically generates a clean, professional slide deck. The theme can be changed with a single click, making it ideal for group projects, last-minute assignments, or visual learners who benefit from structured information. Gamma can help students present ideas clearly and confidently without spending hours designing slides. Goblin Tools is another valuable resource for students. It helps break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This can reduce stress by turning overwhelming assignments into clear action plans. Users can adjust the level of assistance to match their needs. For example, a large research paper can be broken into simple tasks such as gathering sources, outlining sections, drafting paragraphs, and revising the final document. Goblin Tools makes it easier to stay organized and avoid procrastination. Several additional tools can support the study workflow. Humata AI allows users to chat with PDFs and understand documents more quickly. It can answer questions about the content, summarize sections, and highlight important information. This is especially helpful for long academic papers that are difficult to read. Otter AI transcribes lectures so students can focus on listening instead of typing. The transcription can be reviewed later, making it easier to study and capture important details. Otter is useful for students who prefer to pay attention during class without worrying about missing key points. Claude AI provides natural writing assistance and can help with brainstorming and idea development. It can generate explanations, refine sentences, and offer suggestions for improving clarity. Claude is helpful for students who want to strengthen their writing skills or need support organizing their thoughts. Together, these tools show how modern studying can be faster, more organized, and less stressful. They reduce busy work and allow students to focus on learning and understanding the material. By combining research tools, writing assistants, task organizers, and transcription services, students can create a workflow that supports long-term academic success. These tools also help students adapt to different learning styles. Some learners prefer listening to summaries, while others benefit from visual presentations or interactive research assistance. Free AI tools make it possible to customize the study experience without paying for expensive subscriptions. Students can also use these tools to prepare for exams more effectively. NotebookLM summaries can reinforce key concepts. Perplexity can clarify confusing topics. Gamma can help create visual study guides. Goblin tools can break exam preparation into manageable steps. Humata can explain difficult sections of textbooks. Otter can provide accurate lecture notes. Claude can help refine written responses for practice questions. By using these tools consistently, students can build a study routine that saves time and improves comprehension. The goal is not to replace learning, but to remove unnecessary obstacles and make studying more efficient. Anyone interested in trying these tools can find links in the description. Questions and feedback are welcome in the comments. These free resources can make a meaningful difference in academic performance and daily productivity. With the right workflow, studying becomes more manageable, more organized, and more effective.